How to get this woman in the mood and make her want you, hello, sexually. All right, you naughty, naughty boy, you want to know how to get this woman in the mood so that she is ready for you sexually. I get it. If you're new here, let me introduce myself. My name is Arica Angelo. And here, I guess you figured it out, we talk about sex, women, attraction, dating, relationships. So if that's what you're into, then you'll want to subscribe and also turn on that notification bell and stay to the very end because I will offer you a word of encouragement. My love, when it comes to us women and getting us in the mood for you sexually, it starts before the bedroom. That's right. It's an emotional thing. It is what you are building up before you get to the bedroom. So it's sending her text messages throughout the day, or if you're single and it's up into the week that you're going to see her, throughout the week sending very flirty text messages. If you're married, hello, sending her text messages throughout the day of, gosh, I hope you wear that skimpy little dress again because you looked so sexy in that. It gets her thinking about sex. So I want you to flirt with her sexually. Obviously, if you've met her for the first time, this may not go down so well, but if you are dating her or you are married, you want to start sending those flirty, sexy text messages now to get her mind in the state of, ooh, he's turning me on already, and we haven't even had a glass of wine. The other thing is emotional connection. So asking her things like, hi, my beautiful girl, how is your day going today? Has my gorgeous woman smiled? Because if she hasn't, I need to change that. It's letting her know that you are connected with her, not just physically, but emotionally as well. So if she expresses something to you like, I've had a shit day, then you say something very sexy that shows that you're the man in charge, and you're going to turn that around and say, oh, you've had a shit day? Well, then I guess it's my job to make that better for you. How does a glass of wine tonight sound? You want her to know that her emotional being is your priority. If you just focus on the physical, that's going to let her know he just wants to have sex with me, which, yes, I know you just want to have sex with her, but you also want to be connected to her because, hello, that makes better sex. Duh. So it's showing that you are emotionally invested in her by asking about her emotional well-being either throughout the week, throughout the day, and letting her know that it is your job. You want to see this woman smile, and you'll do whatever it takes to make sure that that happens. Now, this is for my married guys or guys who are in a relationship. If you're single, watch and learn. Is your woman feeling emotionally safe with you? If you guys are fighting a lot, if you're not acting like you really care about what's going on in her world, a woman is not going to spread her legs. She's not going to give her vagina over to you. So you want to make sure that your woman is feeling emotionally safe with you. In fact, if you don't know, then you better just ask her, honey, how safe do you feel with me emotionally? Hello, you will open Pandora's box and she will tell you exactly how she's feeling. But chances are, if your woman has not been in the mood with you, somewhere inside, I'm just going to keep it real, she's not feeling safe with you, she's not trusting you, and you want to build that safety, you want to earn that trust back. All right, now that we have all that covered, let's get practical, let's get real. Damn boy, are you even looking good? Have you not shaved down there in months and now you've got like a freaking rainforest down there? Is it like the Amazon? Like, listen, you gotta look good, you gotta smell good. If she wants to touch you, you gotta bring that sex appeal. You have to ooze sex and bring it to the table. So that means, hello, taking care of yourself, getting your ass to the gym, getting your hair cut, wearing those outfits that she's into, wearing some cologne that she gets turned on by. But you, my man, have got to look the part. Too many times men just think, oh, well, she's my wife, she's my girlfriend, she should want to have sex with me. Okay, well, if she's not shaving and she smells awful, how excited are you going to be to have sex with her? So make sure that you are taking care of your appearance. You are taking charge of your own sex appeal. So showering your body, shaving, wearing those fitted clothes, putting that cologne on, making sure that you look good, keeping those teeth clean. Man, some of you brothers, hello, it is called crest whitening strips. Make it happen. Make it happen. And if you're watching this and you're like, I don't know what the hell makes women attracted to me, then make sure that you start by taking that attraction quiz. So my love, tell me in the comments section below, which of these do you need to do so that your woman is in the mood to have sex with you? Listen, my love, so many times I talk to either married men or guys who are pursuing a woman, and when a woman is not in the mood, when she's not wanting you sexually, I know that that can take a toll on your ego. It takes a toll on your confidence. But what I need you to understand is this, that typically when a woman is shut down to you sexually, she's just not in the mood. There is something going on with her emotionally. There's something going on hormonally. So the best way to get her in the mood is to start having conversation about it. If you gotta bring out some little sex toys to just kind of reawaken her to her sexuality, then do that. But my love, whatever you do, don't let it completely tear you apart. Realize that this is something going on in her journey, but the two of you can figure this out. It has nothing to do with you not having what it takes. So remember, my dear, that you are loved, that you do have what it takes, and you got this. So if you're new, make sure you subscribe, and I will see you, my dear,